lot of these recordings in the shop. It's springtime, but Mother Nature is telling us otherwise, being we're out here doing this in the snow. The most important part of this is getting your posts laid out. It can be a little bit time consuming. Don't get frustrated. There's a couple of different theories. You can set one post and then start measuring off of everything on that. We actually will give you a drawing, and what that's going to give you is the diagonals, and then obviously your out-to-out points of the base plate. So, and again, if you get it set here, the rest of this is going to be extremely easy. So, me personally, I like to get everything set before I start drilling any holes in the ground. That way, just make sure I'm not having to drill over or right next to a hole that's a little bit off of position. And we'll get these drilled into the ground. How you want to anchor your post and what you're anchoring it to, that's completely up to you. We don't really offer any suggestions for that. You're probably going to want to check with your local building department or your snow and wind loads. Our structures themselves are designed for the wind loads. Here in Colorado, the highest loads we have on the west end of town of Denver is 150 mile an hour. So these will support that. And like I said, we'll get this set and then we'll start hanging the frames.